Personal Fitness and Exercise Crash Course, HIIT, High Intensity Interval Training. Introduction. Welcome to the crash course on High Intensity Interval Training, HIIT. In this section, we will explore the concept of HIIT, its benefits, and how it can be incorporated into your fitness routine. HIIT is a popular training method that involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. It is known for its efficiency and effectiveness in burning calories, improving cardiovascular fitness, and boosting metabolism. Stories and examples. 1. The busy professional. Imagine a busy professional who struggles to find time for exercise amidst a hectic schedule. HIIT comes to the rescue. With HIIT workouts, this individual can achieve maximum results in a short amount of time. Just 20 to 30 minutes of intense intervals can provide the same benefits as longer, steady-state workouts. 2. The athlete's secret weapon. Picture an athlete preparing for a competition, aiming to improve their speed and endurance. HIIT becomes their secret weapon. By incorporating HIIT into their training regimen, they can push their limits, enhance their aerobic and anaerobic capacity, and elevate their performance to new heights. Top 12 HIIT exercises, methods, techniques. 1. Tabata. Tabata training involves performing an exercise at maximum intensity for 20 seconds, followed by 10 seconds of rest, repeated for 4 minutes. It is a classic HIIT protocol that can be applied to various exercises. 2. Burpees. Burpees are a full-body exercise that combines a squat, push-up, and jump. Performing them in quick succession with short rest periods can elevate your heart rate and engage multiple muscle groups. 3. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks are a simple yet effective HIIT exercise that involves jumping while simultaneously extending and spreading the legs and arms. 4. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a dynamic exercise that targets the core, shoulders, and legs. By alternating knee-to-chest movements in a plank position, you can engage your muscles and raise your heart rate. 5. Sprints. Sprint intervals involve running at maximum effort for a short distance, followed by a brief recovery period. This exercise is excellent for improving speed, cardiovascular fitness, and fat burning. 6. High knee running. High knee running involves running in place while lifting your knees as high as possible. It engages the core, quadriceps, and hip flexors, providing a challenging HIIT workout. 7. Jump squats. Jump squats combine the lower body strengthening of squats with explosive jumping. They target the glutes, quads, and calves while increasing heart rate and calorie burn. 8. Battle ropes. Battle rope exercises involve rapidly moving heavy ropes in various patterns. They provide a full body workout, challenging strength, endurance, and cardiovascular fitness. 9. Box jumps. Box jumps involve jumping onto a sturdy box or platform and then stepping or jumping down. This plyometric exercise improves lower body power, explosiveness, and cardiovascular fitness. 10. Cycling sprints. Cycling sprints can be performed on a stationary bike or outdoors. They involve pedaling at maximum effort for a short duration, followed by active recovery. This exercise is great for cardiovascular conditioning. 11. Kettlebell swings. Kettlebell swings involve swinging a kettlebell between the legs and up to chest height using a hip hinge motion. It targets the glutes, hamstrings, and core while increasing heart rate. 12. Jumping rope. Jumping rope is a classic HIIT exercise that can be done anywhere. It elevates heart rate, improves coordination, and engages multiple muscle groups. Summary. In this section, we explored the concept of high-intensity interval training, HIIT, and its benefits in terms of calorie burning, cardiovascular fitness, and metabolic boost. We discussed various HIIT exercises, including Tabata, burpees, jumping jacks, mountain climbers, sprints, high knee running, jump squats, battle ropes, box jumps, cycling sprints, kettlebell swings, and jumping rope. Each of these exercises provides a unique challenge and contributes to an effective HIIT workout. Poem. In the realm of fitness, where intensity thrives, HIIT takes center stage, where energy survives. Short bursts of effort, followed by rest. A method that pushes us, putting us to the test. Tabata, burpees, and jumping jacks too. Mountain climbers and sprints, just to name a few. Engaging our muscles, raising heart rate high. HIIT workouts, leaving no room to deny. Jump squats and box jumps, explosive and grand. Battle ropes and cycling, a strength demand. Kettlebell swings and jumping rope in the mix. HIIT exercises, a fitness fix. In just a few minutes, a world of change. HIIT's efficiency, a marvel so strange. Calories burned, metabolism soars. Cardiovascular fitness, it truly restores. So embrace the challenge, give HIIT a try. Elevate your fitness, reach the sky. In the ANHUB Metaverse channel, we guide the way. Start planning your adventure, seize the day. Song. Verse 1. In the realm of fitness, where intensity lies, HIIT takes us to new heights, beyond the skies. Tabata, burpees, jumping jacks galore. HIIT workouts leave us wanting more. Chorus. Short bursts of effort, followed by rest. HIIT training puts us to the test. Sprints and jump squats, a fiery flame. HIIT exercises, they're all the same. Verse 2. Mountain climbers and high knee running. HIIT's benefits, they're truly stunning. Box jumps and battle ropes, a thrilling ride. HIIT workouts, our strength they provide. Chorus. Short bursts of effort, followed by rest. HIIT training puts us to the test. Sprints and jump squats, a fiery flame. HIIT exercises, they're all the same. Bridge. In the ANHUB Metaverse channel, we pave the way. Start planning your adventure, make it today. With HIIT in your routine, fitness will soar. Unlock your potential, forevermore. Chorus. Short bursts of effort, followed by rest. HIIT training puts us to the test. Sprints and jump squats, a fiery flame. HIIT exercises, they're all the same. Outro. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for support our ANHUB Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.